In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an FHA loan for a new construction home. Hi, my name is Roma, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a loan, an FHA loan for a brand new construction home. A lot of people don't know that you can do this, but this is a great way to finance your new construction home. So if you're interested in learning more, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. FHA home loans are a type of federally insured home loans that enable borrowers to purchase a home with a smaller down payment than it is typically required with conventional mortgage. These loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration, and they typically have more relaxed eligibility requirements than conventional loans. Because of this, FHA mortgage loans are typically a good option for first-time home buyers or borrowers with less than perfect credit. If you're interested in an FHA loan, you will need to work with an approved FHA lender. Once you've found an FHA approved lender, then you'll need to fill out an application and provide income, assets, and credit information. The lender will then decide if you are approved for an FHA loan, and if so, how much you can borrow. FHA loans are a great option for many borrowers, but they are not right for everyone. If you think an FHA loan might be right for you, then you need to contact an experienced FHA approved lender. Credit score required to qualify for an FHA loan is 580. Borrowers with a score of below 580 would be required to put down a 10% down payment of the price of the home. Borrowers with a score of 580 or above can put as little as 3.5% of down payment. Another requirement is that the buyer lives in the home at least for the first year of ownership. Now, the following documents are required when applying for an FHA loan: a completed and signed application, proof of identification such as driver's license, passport, or any other government-issued ID, a valid social security number, 2 years tax returns, proof of any other income such as child support or disability benefits that you receive, bank statements and asset documentation to verify your down payment and other financial resources, documentation of any debts and monthly payments such as credit card loans, student loans, car loans, or any other debts that you may have. If you are self-employed, you may need to provide additional documentation such as business tax reports, profit and loss statements, and bank statements. FHA loans require an appraisal to ensure that the property meets certain standards and to protect the lender's investment. The appraisal must be performed by a licensed appraiser and follow FHA guidelines. The appraised value of the property must meet or exceed the loan amount requested for the loan to be approved. Now, another thing to have in mind is that FHA loans have a loan amount limit, and it all depends on where you live or where you're buying a home. Different limits apply to different areas of the country. You can find out what the limit is in your area by visiting the FHA's loan limit website. Once you know the loan limit for your area, you can use that information to calculate the amount that you can borrow with an FHA loan. Remember, however, that you'll also need to factor in other costs of owning a home, such as closing costs, before you can know how much you can truly afford. The loan limit for Santa Clara County is $970,800,000 for single-family homes, $1,243,550 for duplex. You can go to FHA.com to look up your loan limits for your city and county. And lastly, you'll need to be 2 years out of bankruptcy and 3 years out of foreclosure. So these are the requirements for an FHA loan. And yes, you can use an FHA loan to buy a new construction home from a builder. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.